Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last Blood Strike video I made, I promised I would do a video to show my top tips and tricks to be successful in Battle Royale and Blood Strike. So here I present you my top 5 tips and tricks to be successful in Blood Strike Battle Royale. Number 1. Shooting style. Obviously, one of the most important things you have to do in Battle Royale is obviously not to use automatic firing, and that goes for any other Battle Royale games. It is absolutely not meant to be played in Battle Royale, as it is slow and it takes time to fire and aim. That slight delay is enough to kill you in a close-up situation, especially when ambush, so switching to manual fire on hipfire or fire on ADS is so much better since it's faster and you can aim better that way. It also increases your chances of survivability. Number 2. Jumping off. Do not be in the first batch of people that jump off the plane. Jumping off the plane too early is one of the easiest ways to end up dying real early in the game. When the game starts, a lot of people immediately jump off the plane and they all end up in the same place and have to duke it out in a free fall and die off early. Also, when you drop off too early, 90% of the time you will be out of the safe zone and will have to run back to the safe zone as soon as possible without stocking up on weapons, which will make you an easy target. Number 3. Secure weapons and medic supplies. Stocking up on weapons is the first thing you should do after landing, especially rifles and SMGs. Rifles and SMGs are my favorite types of weapon to use in the game because they have a decent scope range and have a lot of ammo capacity as well as many rounds. Although the damage is lower than a pistol, shotgun or a sniper, but those come at the cost of low ammo, low rounds and long reload times, which is why I prefer rifles and SMGs. Having secured medical supplies is a great way to ensure survivability in Battle Royale. Shields are also a form of medical supply, so get a lot of that as well. Having a bag full of bandages and other healing supplies will be especially helpful to regain health after leaving the danger zone or when hit by enemies. Also remember, the game has fall damage, so be careful so you don't waste medic supplies. Number 4. The Rift. I'm sure killing the monsters that come out of the rift is fun and all, but it's also a great way to die early or waste bullets and medic supplies. I recommend that you absolutely do not open up a rift when you're all alone. Always have at least one teammate on standby nearby to help. Although you will have to share the jobs, it's better than dying. Remember to have the proper weapons to deal with the monsters that come out of the rift. Use anything but a sniper or rocket launcher because of the low ammo and rounds capacity. Number 5. Money. Of course, how could I forget? Money runs the world and even the world of Blood Strike. Some of the best ways to acquire money is to open up a bunch of crates and accepting scattered missions or just kill other players. Don't just skip all the money you earn, use it all. It's great that Blood Strike has a lot of vending machines scattered throughout the map, viewable on your minimap so that you know exactly where to go and find them. My favorite thing to do with the money I have is to buy a max ammo refill, shield and a revival kit. I consider these 3 my top 3 priorities when buying off the vending machine. Also, once I spent 10,000 gold on a supply drop that ended up falling on the roof of where I was, so that was 10,000 gold down the drain just like that. So make sure you choose an optimal location to drop your supplies and not waste money like me. Gold serves no other purpose outside of currency and Battle Royale matches, so spend every single gold you have, even if you don't have to and end up buying useless things, because now that I look back, I once won a game with about 40,000 gold left over, and I can't help but think that if I spent some of the money to better my equipment, then I could have ended the game even earlier. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be making this a series and uploading more parts soon. Our like goal for this video is 20 likes. Hopefully we can do that. Also subscribe so we can reach 1,000 subscribers soon. Peace.